Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to upload a zipped file to your Chromebook and then upload it to your Google Drive and unzip it. So I am going to download some clip art from my Teachers Pay Teachers account. So I'll go right to my purchases. And since I want this to be quick, I'm just going to do a small free download. So say download now. It defaults to save it under my files in the downloads folder. So I will just save it right there. As it's doing that, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Up here, just in the main part of my drive, I'll say new folder. I will call it clip art. Say create. Click right on that folder. Say new. Now I'm going to go back and say, okay, it's zippity-doo-dah-designs. So I like to organize all my clip art by clip artist. So there I go, create that folder. Within there, now that's empty. And if I look, that is all finished downloading. I can check and say, okay, is it in my downloads folder? Sure enough, there it is. Now you can either click and drag and it'll start uploading, or you can say new file upload. Click on it, say open. It will start uploading right here. And if you would have dragged it in, this is exactly what has showed up as well. It should just take a minute. It always feels like everything takes a little bit longer when you're showing somebody else, right? Okay. There we go. Now it's in the folder. I'm right-clicking, say open with zip extractor. There are a lot of different apps and websites you can use to unzip files on your Chromebook. This is just my favorite. Okay, so it shows you all of the different files that are in that folder, and you just have to say extract. It will give you progress there, and then when you go back, you'll see, if you refresh your page, that the folder is right there, and it will start populating as it unzips everything. So if you take a look, let's see. There's a few of them that have already shown up. So if I go back to my drive, you'll see anything that's newly uploaded will show up in that quick access area. So let's say I want to insert some of those images into Google Slides. So as if I'm creating a resource, I open Slides. I always do a blank layout. And then I can just click on this or say insert image. And instead of saying upload from computer, if I was using that files folder of my Chromebook, I actually just say drive. And all of those images I just uploaded are right in here now. So I can select one and say insert, resize it, do what I need to, or I can actually insert multiple ones and play around with them however I need to. So they're all right in my Google Drive then, and then that means that they're not on my Chromebook anymore. There isn't a ton of storage on your Chromebook, and if you ever had to do a power wash or something where you're clearing all the files, you don't have to worry about losing all of those folders, especially when you are using clip art, and you don't want to have to keep re-downloading it every time. So depending on how much storage you have on your Google Drive, You can always upgrade as well. That's the way to go. And then it just depends on how you want to organize it. If you want to have a clip art file, and if you want to organize it by theme or artists, or whatever you want to do, however your brain works and however you organize things. But yeah, so that's how to create folders and unzip files into them.